We got a full remodel here. We're doing a shower, pan, seat, hardy backer, 1/2 inch on the floor. I'm just setting up layout now so I can start running floor. 24 by 12 inch tile. Pulling from the wall, coming this way towards the doorway. Should probably take us about 5 days to set up everything, get everything laid and grouted. So that's where we're at right now.
Hey, it's Michael with Progressive Interiors, and we are in a bathroom remodel. We've got a full shower. It used to be a tub, and the homeowner had some health issues to where he had his back fused, and he actually tripped over the edge of the tub and put his head through the wall, and so that kind of started this whole process. So he didn't want a bathtub, and so we built a custom shower with a tiled shower pan, and then we added the grab bars so he could have a little bit of extra safety there, and then put all the black accents in it, and that's what he wanted and really likes that look. So we were able to do the floor in here as well, and we did do the glass sliding door. We also did the countertop there in solid surface with the backsplashes and the new sinks, and then all new plumbing for everything.